Hello everyone, welcome back to Spasolve. In today's video, we are diving into 8 must-have Windows settings that will transform your PC experience. Whether you are a casual user or you are a power user, then these settings will solve common frustrations, they will boost your performance and make your daily computer use smoother and more enjoyable. If you find these video tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tech goodness. Okay, to begin with, we first of all turn off startup apps. This setting stops unnecessary apps from launching at boot, hence speeding up your PC. Okay, I'll do a demo. First of all, you open the task manager by pressing the Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape. It will automatically open the task manager. Then you click the start option, start menu. It will bring you a list of programs that run on startup, on boot, that is. Under status you'll see those that are enabled and those that are disabled. To disable a program, you simply click on it and then right click, then you click disable. It will disable the program, or you can do it by just clicking on it. Then down below here there is a disable option, a disable button that is here. Then you simply click on it. It will as well disable the program. And that is how you turn off startup apps. Until our next setting is where you enable the dark mode. It switches Windows to a dark theme, reducing eye strain. This setting is essential for eyes during late night study or work, especially on low budget monitors. To demonstrate, you open the settings by pressing the Windows plus I key. Then you go to personalization, this option here. There it is. Then under the option colors, then under choose your color, you have these 3 options. You have the light option, the one that you are currently using. Then you have the dark option. If you want to set it to dark, maybe if you're having eye strain, as you've seen, it has changed to dark. Or you have the third option here, the custom option. This is where now you have different, you can decide to choose your default Windows mode. This is the general mode of your Windows. Now, and choose your default app mode. This is the mode of the apps, in specific apps, that is. Our third setting is adjust display setting. This setting changes text and app size for better readability. It makes small screen easier to use and easy to read. Whether you are using a smaller screen or a larger screen, it increases the size of the text and the apps. I'll do a demonstration. You go to settings, then under systems, click on systems, then you go to display. Under display, you find an option. You go under scale and layout. You go to scale and layout. You'll see change the size of text, apps and other items. You click the drop down button. You will see another 125%. When you click on 125, you will realize the size of your text has increased, hence making them more readable. If you go back to 100%, it zooms out back to smaller text and apps. This one is more essential if you're using a smaller screen size and maybe you're having a strain on reading the words and accessing the apps on your screen. Our next setting is to turn on the storage sense. Turn on the storage sense. This one auto deletes junk files to free up space. It keeps your PC lean without manual cleanup and saves you space for assignments and photos and other essential things. I'll do a demonstration. You go to settings, then you click on system, then under system you go to storage. Under storage, it will bring you a list of the apps. Then enable storage sense. Above here you'll see storage sense can automatically free up space by getting rid of files you don't need, like temporary files and content in your recycle bin. You simply ensure this button is on, and you can configure it here. You can choose what period it should be running to clear up junk files according to your need, maybe every month, or you can decide every week. You can also choose these options to delete the temporary files that are not in use. Maybe you downloaded things a long time and you're not using them. You can also choose an option to delete. Remember to like, to subscribe, and to comment. And to the next setting, we have the focus assist, where you set up the focused assist. This setting silences notifications during work or studies. It blocks distractions for better focus during exam prep or deadlines. Let's say you're working on something and you don't want any distractions, then this setting is essential for you. To turn on this setting, you simply go to settings, then you click on system, then you select focus assist. Here it is already. Click on focus assist. Yeah, then you can see, choose which notification you like to see and hear, so you can stay focused. The rest will go straight to action center, where you can see them anytime. So when you click off, they'll be popping up on your PC. So you can customize this option so that you can set from which apps you'll be receiving the notifications. And to our next setting, we have the clipboard. Enable the clipboard history. It enables one to copy multiple notes or links at once. I'll do a demo. You go to settings, that is Windows plus I, automatically takes you to settings. Then you click on clipboard, no, system first, then you click on clipboard here, clipboard. Then under clipboard history, you ensure this button is on. Mine is already on. Press Windows plus V to see the clipboard. Currently it doesn't have any copied content, but we can copy something. So we will copy this text here. Copy. Then you can check it on our clipboard. Press Windows plus V. Then you can simply turn it on. You see it is. Or if you copy another text, Windows V. The text has been added to the clipboard. So it enables you to copy as many text as you can, so that you can paste it and use it later. On to our seventh setting, we have the turn on the night light. This setting reduces blue light for warmer screen tones at night. To demonstrate, we go to settings, then under settings you go to system, under system you go to display, under display you find the night light option here, just at the top. You ensure it is on. It reduces the blue light for warmer screen tones. This one is essential especially for students and freelancers who work late through the night. Our last setting is to enable the magnifier. It zooms screen for easier reading. To turn on the magnifier, you press the Windows key plus U. It will take you direct to the settings. Then under magnifier, click on magnifier. Then you have this option here, turn on magnifier. You ensure it is on. Then this pop-up will appear on your screen. So first of all, below here you can change the zoom level. To what percentage do you zoom out or zoom in? You can zoom in with 5, 10, 20, 100, 150. For instance, when we choose 100, let's try 100 and try to zoom in. You can see it zooms by 100%. When you zoom out, it zooms out with 100%. If we make it, we choose it to, let's say, 10%, which is much smaller, it zooms in and zooms out in a relatively smaller way. That is 10% of the screen. That's it on 8 essential Windows settings that you must have. You can try them out and share your comments on the comment section. Remember to like, to subscribe, and also to share. Thank you for your time.